In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up and customize your theme's skin colors using WordPress's Customizer and Elementor. Step 1. Adjust your theme colors. Begin by opening your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and Customize. Select Site Skin to adjust your theme colors, including background, primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Choose the colors that best fit your brand style, then click Publish to save your changes. Step 2. Customize text color. Navigate to Site Typography and select Body Content Typography to modify font options such as font family, font weight, font style, and font color. Then go to Site Breadcrumb to customize text color, link color, hover effects, and background color. Once done, click Publish. Step 3. Personalize your theme with Elementor. To further personalize your theme with Elementor, open Edit with Elementor on any page and go to Site Settings. Under Global Colors, select your preferred colors to enhance your site's look. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Update to apply them. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your theme's color scheme. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.